What's up, guys? I've been remodeling my house for a little while now. This is actually my kitchen. I bought a house that was built in 1950-ish, and I think it was remodeled in 1951. Anyways, I'm going to start going through this. The first thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is remove carpet. And who the has carpet in the kitchen nowadays? Anyways, the first thing you want to do, get a box cutter or whatever, X-Acto knife or whatever you want to call these. But what you're going to do, a lot of people make a mistake in trying to take this entire piece out in just one big chunk. But it's actually a lot easier if you cut it in sections and then just roll it up and then carry it outside so you're not carrying this giant piece of carpet outside. But first thing you're going to want to do is just mark off where, like, I'm actually doing room by room. So I'm going to cut a strip right here in this doorway. And then I'm just going to cut each piece into sections, maybe about 2.5 feet wide or so. And I literally just strip sections, roll it up, and then carry it outside. It's actually really simple. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to do the first one and then just fast forward through the rest of it. Oh, something that I should have said, something I did behind the scenes that nobody's seen is this box cutter, I actually went and put a brand new razor blade in it. And anyways, you got to press kind of firm. Make sure you cut all the way through the carpet. And then get maybe like a scraper or a pry bar. Okay, now I have my pry bar and my scraper. My kitchen cabinets actually have trim around them, so I'm gonna go like quarter round trim around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing those. And I don't plan on reusing any of this, so I don't care if it breaks. And like I said, just cut this in strips, in sections, and it's really easy to do. By the way, I've already done half my house, and I know there's tile underneath here. It's like little slate type clay tiles, so I'll show you how to scrape those up also. But cut it in 2 to 3, maybe like 2.5 feet sections. And make sure you press hard enough to go all the way through that carpet. This works on any kind of carpet. By the way, if you're not throwing everything around, just ripping it up right away, you won't have a lot of dust either. Okay, we got the first strip removed, and this is why I'm telling you to cut it in small sections. Just grab it and literally just roll it up. Instead of having this massive piece of carpet that you're trying to like wrangle together to carry outside, it's way easier to do it in little strips. That's the end of the carpet. Anyways, like I said, you do it in 2 to 3 feet sections. It's pretty simple to do. As always, if you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. For sure, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a bunch of remodeling stuff. I'm really hands-on, and I'm out. Thanks for tuning in.